How to log into Reasons Bank Online. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to log in into the Reasons Bank Online, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So, you can visit their website for that, which is www.reasons.com. Head over and open up your browser and go to this website right here, or you can even download the application if available. Once you are here in the interface, you can directly find an option called Login into Online Banking. Just go ahead and tap on that option once you find it up, and once you do so, you can download the application, or you can basically select this option called proceed to online banking if you are on the website like this. And then after that, there you go. In this login page, you just need to enter up your credentials, your username associated with your account, and even your password. After that, continue the process, follow up the verification process, and you will be directly logged in into Reasons Bank online account, and you can access all the online banking feature for Reasons. So therefore, if you'd also like to log in into Reasons Bank Online, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.